Hi, this is Dean Damson, and today I am going to have some fun with leaves. I'll be using watercolor, and the first thing I did is sketched 5 leaves, and they're beautiful, big, with a lot of holes and slits on them. So this was a little bit of a challenge. So if you're beginners, maybe you should start with one. Of course, if you want to push yourself, try to do 2, 3, or 4. The only way to make this stand out and make it different from each other is to create different greens, and I use 2 greens. I use blue, I use yellow, I use brown even in my green, and created every leaf has a different color and a little bit of either the neighbor or another leaf, but try to make the background leaves a little bit darker, and especially the ones that are really hiding underneath. So I created a little bit of deep shadow around that area. And the top leaves, I try to keep them a little bit lighter, and I'm using wet on wet technique, so it was very easy for me to just drop colors. So I did 1 green, and then I grabbed a little bit of yellow on my brush and kind of dropped it in. And also I was doing 3 colors on each leaf, so a little bit of a third color, either it's going to be greenish blue or whatever it was missing from the leaf. So I'm going around the holes of the leaves, and I added a little more shadow just to kind of push those leaves on the back further away or separate them from the top leaves. This project probably is intermediate and advanced, and I suggest I painted this with somebody who is maybe beginner intermediate, and I noticed that it wasn't as easy as I thought. So just start with 1 leaf and then increase the leaves. But I really loved it. I just made it like a 5x7 card, so there's plenty of space where you can write a message or do something fun with it, and just continuing to add a little more shadow. So that was pretty much the game till the end, is to make those back leaves really stand out and be different than the front leaves. So what I did is I grabbed an envelope, and the envelope was not a watercolor paper, so I'm using more wet on dry, and I'm actually trying to keep it not very wet so I don't ruin the envelope. And this is what you want to do if you're a beginner. Just paint 1 leaf, and I'm kind of dropping color in, but because it's not very wet, I'm pushing it and manipulating it a little bit more. And again, I am adding 3 different colors of green, and just a little bit of an outline to kind of make it pop. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give us thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.